Hello and welcome to this video tour of a property known as Little Bowlings here in Goddards Lane, just on the edge of the village of Sherfield on Loddon. So what we have here is originally a 1930s built, we believe, a detached home which has been extended, potential to extend further of course, subject to planning as always, but a lovely detached house. No one would chain, vacant possession on this property as well. So I'm just going to start by showing you the location. So if I just spin round, there's the entrance to the lane here. 200 or 300 yards down the road, you've got all the village facilities such as 2 local pubs. You have the village shop, a local hair salon, post office and coffee shop, and the park with the local cricket club. So really nice location. Whilst it's quite a rural location really, it's literally a couple of hundred yards from the facilities. So that just gives you an idea of the lane. That is a dead end, so hence you can see very little traffic. So I'm just going to walk along here. We enter into this private road little paddock, and then immediately on the left hand side here's the entrance, 5-bar gate entrance into Little Bowlings. So this has got quite a big plot. It's 130 odd feet in width. You can see lots of parking here. Bulk of the gardens is just through there. Sorry about the sun shining in. That's probably a good sign because it shows it's a sunny garden. And to my left hand side here we have a very substantial carport, nice pitch tiled roof as you can see. Power and light in there, concrete base, but lots of other parking where we are now. Along here, this is the entrance and the front garden. So let's just show you the front garden here first of all. And also, let me just step to one side here and just show you that we've got quite a wide piece of land at the side there. Access through to the garden. Let me just spin around and give you an idea of the view out the front, because it really is a super location. Very much edge of village, rural spot. So this is the house. Let's give you a tour inside. And recess entrance porch here. Nice wood structure there, and through the front door into the entrance hall. So let's just step to one side and show the entrance hall itself. There's the stairs, turning staircase leading up to the first floor, and there's the entrance door. It's a stable door, the front door, rather nice. And a radiator there as well, as you can see. So from this entrance hall, we've got a door there leading into the lounge. I'll show you in just a second, and a door leading through to the dining room and kitchen. Let's show you the lounge to start with. So this has been extended. This lounge is pretty much double the size that it was. Super size, and also very light. That's one thing you'll notice about this house. Very light, and lots of windows. Many of these rooms have got dual and triple aspect windows. So this in fact is triple aspect, because you can see we've got rear aspect window there, French doors there to the garden, side aspect window, and then spinning round, 2 front aspect windows there, and then a nice focal point, an open fireplace. 3 radiators and wall lights. All in all, a very nice start to the tour. Lovely lounge and a really good size. You'll also notice the doors, pretty much consistent throughout, keeping the character in this house. Let's step through now to the dining room. So again, we have a focal fireplace there. In fact, this has a wood burner. And I'm just going to step to one side and turn around. So a separate dining room, and if I just spin round here, this opens up into this conservatory. The conservatory is very wide. I'm sure some of you would have looked at the floor plan. This is almost 2 rooms in one, so you could have another little sitting area where I'm standing here, and then in fact towards the other end, probably like a breakfast area, I would say, because this connects to the kitchen, that end. But UPVC double glazed sealed unit, nice tiled flooring, and heaters, radiators, as you can see. So it's certainly an all year round conservatory. And then I'm just going to spin round. This takes us into the kitchen, which we can access from the dining room as well. Let me just step to one side and spin round. So what we have here is a kitchen and separate utility room. Utility room is very well fitted as well, and with units that match the kitchen. And we do have an Arga just sat there, which is included in the sale, with the hood above. Again, tiled flooring here that just kind of runs through into the conservatory. There's dishwasher plumbing there. So this is very much the sort of cooking area, cooking kitchen, because the utility room, of course, is more the laundry. So through here is the utility room, which again, very well fitted, as I mentioned. Work surfaces, eye level units. Big cupboard here. I'll just open one side because shelving, yes, but also with drawers there as well, all fitted. And door giving access to the garden, and then another work surface with the plumbing for washing machine, maybe a larder fridge, larder freezer, that sort of thing. So yeah, kitchen and utility room together, very good. Just on my right hand side, just here, we have a downstairs WC, and in fact the cupboard ahead of me there, I'll just quickly open one side. This is where the Worcester Bosch gas-fired boiler lives. So it tells you it's gas central heating. Gas central heating, and also the windows, all double glazed sealed units. So let's now make our way back into the entrance hall, and I'll show you upstairs. We'll finish the tour with the garden. Obviously the garden is certainly one of the features of this house. So it's a turning staircase up to the landing. We do have a window there, as you can see. And ahead of me there, that's a storage cupboard. And then turning left takes you to the 3 bedrooms and the family bathroom. I'm just going to start on the right hand side here, as this will be the main bedroom. So this is the full width of the property. Dual aspect windows again. As you can see, rear aspect there, side aspect and front. We've got a built-in double wardrobe there with, looks like it could be an original fireplace, just keeping the character. And then a further cupboard there. Now I'm just going to show you the view we've got from this window. This just really kind of emphasises the location of this house. I can see a horse in the distance, so that's obviously paddocks over there. And then that's where Goddards Lane is. You can't quite see the lane, but certainly you can see the fields the other side. Lovely spot. So that's one bedroom. Let's now make our way to this room here on the right. This one I'm pretty sure is the 3rd bedroom, so this is the smallest bedroom. Rear aspect window, another built-in wardrobe, as you can see. And again, another fireplace around as well. In fact, all of the bedrooms have built-in wardrobes. Let's show you this bedroom here. This has dual aspect windows, rear and side, as you can see. And in fact, if I just step in the rear, I'm just going to turn around here and show you the 2 double built-in wardrobes, floor to ceiling, so they're very big. Not sure if the camera is really giving you an idea of the size, but certainly it's a double room, no issue. And last but not least, on the first floor, of course, the bathroom. Very nicely finished bathroom, with bath having a shower screen and a power shower over. I think that's an Aqualisa power shower. There's the low level WC, heated towel rail, and nice flooring as well, as you can see, and the wash basin there. So that's the first floor. Let's now make our way downstairs, and I shall show you the garden. We'll actually go through the lounge to access the garden. Obviously you can use the utility room door, you can go through the conservatory, but I've actually opened this door, or unlocked this door ahead of starting the tour. So let's show you the garden. So as I mentioned earlier, this is about 130 feet in width. Really good sized garden. Let's just start by wandering in this direction here, and I'll try and show you the sort of the land at the side, because the patio does extend round past the utility room door. We've got a side gate there that takes you through to the front garden. As you can see, a storage shed in the corner there. Let's just give you an idea of the back of the house. As you can see straight away, so much potential to create a fourth bedroom, perhaps en suite. And then here's the rest of the garden. Fencing here, as you can see, it's close boarded fencing, good quality, quite new, concrete posts. And then this is the other area of the garden. This takes you up towards the private drive. There's a gate there, as you can see, and then spinning round the rear of the house. Certainly looking at the area to my left here, that's where the carport is, the parking. So much potential to extend the parking. You could make even more if you really needed it. So all in all, a lovely house, lovely condition, and three lovelies. It's a lovely location as well. So if you'd like to take a look inside, give us a call. The number's on the website. If you have any questions, my name's Gary, then please do ask to speak to myself, and I'm sure I'll be able to answer any questions you may have. So thank you for watching.